Matter can exist in several different states, also known as phases. The most common states of matter are solid. In the solid state, matter has a definite shape and volume. The particles in a solid are closely packed together and have a fixed arrangement. They vibrate in place but do not move past each other. Solids have strong intermolecular forces that hold their particles together. Examples of solids: cup, book, shirt. Liquid. Liquids have a definite volume but take the shape of their container. The particles in a liquid are more spread out than in a solid, allowing them to move past one another. They have moderate intermolecular forces that are not as strong as those in solids. Examples of liquid: shampoo, olive oil, orange juice. Gas. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. The particles in a gas are spaced far apart and move freely in all directions. They have weak intermolecular forces, allowing them to easily overcome these forces and fill the available space. Examples of gases: helium in a balloon, steam from a kettle, nitrogen in a tank, argon in a tank. Plasma. Plasma is a high-energy state of matter that consists of charged particles, ions, and electrons. It is commonly found in stars, lightning, and some experimental setups. Plasmas do not have a definite shape or volume and are highly conductive. Examples of plasma: lightning, comet's tail, flame, fireball. These states of matter can undergo phase transitions when subjected to changes in temperature or pressure. For example, a solid can melt into a liquid when heated, and a liquid can vaporize into a gas. Understanding the behavior of matter in these different states is essential in various scientific fields, including physics, chemistry, and materials science. Thanks for watching.